Hey guys, Jason Guyman here today with ChristmasLightsTraining.com, Christmas Light Community. Hey, today I want to do a video. We're out here at an HOA putting up lights, and I wanted to show you when you have employees the great things they will get you to do. This tree right here, this big 30-foot tree, the lights are only working to about that strand right there, and I want to show you what an employee did and why these lights aren't working. You can see right here they only plugged it in half the plug. Guess what? Lights don't work when you're only plugged in halfway. Luckily it was at the bottom of the tree. I have another tree up here in the front and it's about halfway up, so I get to figure out why it's not working halfway up. And it's probably the same person did this one, did those trees back there. So make sure you tell your guys that you plug in the lights. If you don't plug in the lights, then what you got to do is you got to get an A-frame, try to get them down. I might show you what I have to end up doing to get them. Might have to take them all down again, you don't know. So just remember guys, plug in the lights. You know, make sure they did the half turn and everything, but they only plugged it in halfway. So hope this helps you out and have a great day.